So the difference between the two. With inappropriate urination, the biggest difference is what surfaces are they doing. With inappropriate elimination, it's horizontal surfaces. With the marking, urine marking or spraying, it's usually vertical surfaces, but sometimes they can do the horizontal ones too. Okay, there's a big difference between their posturing. I'm sure you guys are familiar with this, right? You know, they're squatting when they're urinating, and they're holding their butt up towards usually a vertical surface when they're spraying. And it's funny too is that with inappropriate elimination, they may use the litter box for defecation, but not for urination, or vice versa. So that can happen too. And then also the big difference here is the amount of urine. Usually with inappropriate elimination, it's large amounts. With spraying, it's small amounts. And then, of course, the urine marking is a normal behavior, you guys. Again, it's only an issue because they're sharing their house with us, and we don't like them to do it on our furniture and things like that. But that's normal. That's normal for them to go ahead because it's a way of them making the territory feel more comfortable for them and in communicating with other cats. All right, so this is the postures, the big difference between the two. And some people will say, well, do you treat them differently? A little bit, because usually with the urine spraying, and that's why it's important when I have my consultations to understand what the difference is. With the urine spraying, there's usually a different motivator than there is with the inappropriate urination. And it's usually stress related, so we might take a little bit of different tack. But a lot of the same principles will be applied, whether it's inappropriate urination or elimination or urine spraying. Does that make sense?